Welcome back to our channel. What is bilateral brain activity? Your brain has two sides or hemispheres. Left side helps with language, logic, math, and step-by-step thinking. Right side helps with creativity, imagination, emotions, and big picture thinking. Bilateral activity means both sides of your brain work together to help you do things like walking and running. Your left and right sides need to coordinate. Writing and drawing. One hand works while the other side helps guide. Solving problems, using logic from the left side and creativity from the right. Playing sports, movement plus thinking about what to do next. Fun bilateral brain exercises, cross-body movements. Touch your right hand to your left knee, then switch. Draw with both hands. Try drawing a shape with both hands at the same time. Jumping jacks. This helps both sides of your brain communicate. The more you practice using both sides of your brain, the stronger and smarter it becomes. This fun game helps improve bilateral coordination, focus, and fine motor skills by making both sides of the brain work together. Brain benefits: improves hand-eye coordination, strengthens both sides of the brain, enhances focus and patience, develops fine motor skills. Want more brain-boosting tips? Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more ways to supercharge your mind. See you next time.